In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva. First, log into your Canva account. Then go to the left sidebar and click this Create button. Go to the search bar and search for logo. Then choose this one. Once you're in the editor page, go to the Apps tab on the left side of your screen. In the search bar, search for QR code. Click this app, then click Open to get started. Enter the URL that you want into this column. For example, I'm going to put this URL. You can also customize the QR code by clicking this drop-down button, then change the background and foreground color and set the margin here. Once you've entered the URL and customized the QR code, you can click this Generate Code button to get the QR code. After that, you just have to adjust the size of the QR code by dragging it like this. And lastly, you can download it by clicking the Share button in the top right. Click Download, choose the file type as PNG, and click this purple Download button. So that's how to create a QR code in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.